everyone, Cam here. Welcome back to my channel. I miss and love you guys so much. That's why I decided to do this vlog. I'm like, y'all might as well come enjoy my entire day with me. So right now it's probably like around noon, 1 o'clock. I've already pretty much done everything that I needed to do for the morning with work, and now I have to run some errands. I have to go to Target. I got a couple little things to do, and I just want to take y'all along with me. If y'all want to see me vlogging more, let me know down in the comments, and make sure you hit subscribe to my channel so you will be notified whenever I upload videos. So you're coming to the gym with me today. I might as well take y'all there with me just in case you guys need that push too. If you're watching this is a sign that you need to get up and go to the gym too, because it's gonna make you feel good, and when you feel good, you just good, All right, I'm just putting on my Apple Watch because I like to track my movement at the gym and make sure I close all of those rings for the day. This is so helpful to have. And before I head over to the gym, I am going to go ahead and take some collagen and fiber from Bellway. Collagen, it has a lot of great benefits for you. It gives you a healthy gut, stronger hair, skin, and nails, less bloating. It makes you feel fuller, skin elasticity. So I currently have 2 flavors. I have the matcha lemon, and I also have the strawberry lemonade. Lately, I have been doing the strawberry lemonade flavor, so it's super easy to make. Pretty much, you just wanna open it up. You wanna use 2 scoops, and then you wanna add about like 8 to 12 ounces of water. So that's pretty much like this cup that I'm gonna be mixing it in. I'm gonna pour my water in here. That I find that it's easier to stir with a fork. Whenever I do it with a spoon, sometimes I still have more clumps, but with the fork, I feel like it just helps whisk it out way better. But I have been so into just taking like a lot of nutrients and supplements these days because it really does help you with a lot of changes and everything. I just want to be way more disciplined. So yeah, that's why I'm taking this. Sometimes you still have like the little floaties on top, but I just try to mix it through all the way. And another key fact when you are mixing this, they say to not let it sit for too long. So as soon as you mix it, you just want to drink it all off, and because it can turn like a really thick texture. So I'm about to drink it right now. The strawberry lemonade flavor, really good. I'm about to go put my shoes on, and we are going to head to the gym. So that's gonna have a little bit of time to settle. But let's get started. I'm excited to work out. Another little hidden gem of mine that I use when I go to the gym for my girls that like wear wigs and weaves, or if your edges are just laid, I found this like little headband wrap. It has like the Velcro on the ends, but like I just strap it around to my head and it keeps everything in place. I don't want to sweat too much. And my damn wig slides back. I don't want that to happen, so that keeps everything in place. And I'll probably put my hair in a bun. Yeah, because just in case like I do sit-ups, who knows what'll happen today in the gym. Yep, so now I'm ready. Now we can head out. Okay, so that's my little circuit. That's what I'm gonna be doing, a few rounds of that. And then that's it. I just wanted to, get in here, show y'all. It's a little bit of what I like to do when I come here. And as I said, if you're watching this is your sign that you need to get up and do something, because sometimes even if you don't do much, it's the thought of doing something that counts. That's the worst part. I hate sweaty clothes. Like sometimes, depending on the material you wear when you're working out, it's like your armpits are sweaty, your lower body is sweaty, if you know what I mean, ladies, like everything is sweaty. And I know for a fact y'all heard about how our governor here in Texas is doing the no mask mandate. So I'm about to really see if people are still wearing masks or not. Hopefully they are. I'm still wearing my mask. I'll probably still be wearing my mask even after all of this is over. I actually like them, but whew, I hope the people aren't as crazy as the damn governor here. Okay, Target, I like what you did there. I like that. All right, so only a couple things in here so far, like for the bathroom. And now I want to head over to the calendars and the organization section. So normally, like, I'm a really goal-oriented person, but I feel like since we moved in, like, I haven't been as goal-oriented as I normally am, and I know that I can be. I've been good with, like, writing out my long-term goals, but I need something to get me on point with my short-term goals, like daily goals and weekly goals, because we can't make it to no bigger goals without that. So I might get this big old board, it's right here, that we'll be able to just organize our week with. So here go the planners that they have. I don't know what happened to my planner. I've just learned my lesson. I'm gonna always just leave it at home. No, I like the hard. No, they ran out of the type that I normally use. I like the hard copy types. Oh no, I don't. All right, I'm really about to be here looking for a new. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, which is the day designer, which is what I normally go with. Let me show y'all how the dates always look. Wait. It starts in July. See? This ain't it, man. What the heck? What the heck? Yeah, I'm annoyed. All right, so this is also a bulletin board, but with like the world map. I think that one looks way better than this one, just in my opinion. And I mean, it can always just be art for the house. Y'all, thank God I asked the lady for Target and help, because she just showed me where all of the right day designers are. I'd have been so mad. So I'm just gonna pick one out. Y'all, I feel like an idiot. They were right here all along. All right, so I narrowed it down to these two. It's still not the exact type that I need, but it's gonna have to work. But it is so important to stay organized. For me, it is. I feel like it's a really important part of mental health, and, you know, just staying organized, planning out your days, planning out the times you have to work, you have to have fun, you have to relax. It's so important to plan all of that out. So yeah, even me coming to Target, this was planned out. But I need my calendar to really just help me, because if I don't have a calendar, if I don't have no way to stay organized, my life would just be in shambles. I would not know what to do. So yep, I don't know where I lost it at too. I was in New York the other day. I'm like, did I take it with me or not? But I can't, it hasn't even been a week, but like I can't live without my calendar. Okay, so I'm kind of in love with this lamp right here. Kind of want it, but I need two, and I'm trying to figure out which one goes with my bedroom the most. I don't know. I'm really tempted to get this. I'm just gonna get it. Yep, she's coming home with me. It's a couple other cute ones though. This one is really cute, isn't it? This is really cute. Okay guys, so I'm carrying everything. That moment when you only want to take one trip. My hands is getting tired already. But y'all, it is such a nice day out. It's not super sunny, it's cloudy, and I just want to lay down and catch the breeze and relax. So, all right, just got home. Put my other shoes on because no shoes allowed in my house. But y'all, it's probably like 60 degrees outside, and inside I don't have the air on or the heat on or anything on. But when I tell you, I can feel the humidity already. I can feel, oh, I don't want to let this fall off the countertop. I can feel that humidity already. Not cool. I'm about to turn on. Okay, so I just styled my hair, put on a little bit of makeup, and these are the final results. The lace is laid. I did not have to reglue anything. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Mwah. Love you.